Enhanced pencil and corner finishing. ZW3D 2024 has a remarkable improvement in pencil cut and corner finishing. So now it is applicable for more complex processing scenarios. Corner finishing toolpath generation. Add the part to features, and also the containment profile if necessary. Select the tool based on the corner radius. Then specify the key parameters, such as reference tool, step value for flat and steep regions. Hide the other toolpath segments except cutting toolpaths to better show the effect, and calculate the result. Let's verify the toolpaths. And compare the result with that of ZW3D 2023. Because of algorithm customization, ZW3D 2024 improved the accuracy of recognizing processing areas and can generate complete, smooth and uniform corner finishing toolpaths, which can meet the needs of the mold industry for corner finishing. Pencil cut toolpath generation. Add the part to features and select the proper tool. And ZW3D will detect the corners automatically. Also, hide the other toolpath segments to better show the effect. Let's compare the result with that of ZW3D 2023. As you can see, ZW3D 2024 can generate complete pencil cut toolpaths.